So I was trying to use a time-lapse video app. It is not working. So as you can see here, this is my shelving that I got from I actually ordered it off of Walmart.com. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have the bottom already set. I wanted it high enough so I could slide my battery under there if I need to or if I want to. And the rest of these are just in between. So I got all the rest of the shelves on here, as you can see already. They're not set, they're just on here. And then I'm going to set the top one all the way at the top. There we go, that one's set. And now all I got to do is decide how I want to space these, which I'll probably go about that far, I guess. Now, imagine how long it would have took if I would have been sawing and screwing boards. This is done. Look at me. They even have the clamps. I didn't even notice this. The clamps that you screw to the wall, and then you run a zip tie through there. I don't know why they didn't send black. I didn't even think to look at these, but yeah, there you go. 2 clamps. So that's sweet. So I got an extra set of feet in case I wanted to change up the configuration. Got some extra stoppers. A bunch of garbage. So let's see, 11 minutes, and actually let's add 3 more minutes, so less than 15 minutes I had it all together. So I had a few big ones at my old house where I used to live. Those take a little bit longer because you just have to manhandle them a little bit, but they're still not bad. So anyway, and I suppose, let's see, this can go, it just hangs, I guess I can hang a few hats on there or something. A few neckties, I don't know, something. Well, that was easier than I thought it was going to be. Everything's tight. Nice view of the mountains in the background. There she blows. And I think that's enough room down there to slide my battery underneath there if that's where I decide to put it. Probably not, because it's going to be angled like this, and the battery I think is going to be over there somewhere. We shall see. That'll be the next video. Thanks for watching. I don't normally say this, and I haven't said it, I don't think, in the past. But if you don't mind, please like and subscribe. Even if you don't like it, subscribe. Maybe I'll do or say something that's hilarious and give you a chuckle one day or something. Never know. I might be funny all of a sudden.